Crafting the perfect thesis. Strong versus weak statements. Hey, everyone! Today, we'll dive into the world of thesis statements, specifically for the SAT and ACT essay writing. A thesis statement can make or break your essay, so it's essential to get it right. Stick around as we analyze both strong and weak examples, helping you ace that essay section. At its core, a thesis statement expresses the main idea of your essay. It's like the heart, pumping life and direction into your writing. It should be clear, concise, and to the point. Think of it as a promise to your readers about what they can expect from the rest of the essay. A robust thesis. 1. Takes a stand. It's definitive and shows your opinion. 2. Addresses a specific topic. It's not vague or broad. 3. Is arguable. There should be potential for debate. 4. Provides a roadmap. It hints at the supporting points you'll discuss. For example, although many believe fast food chains are to blame for obesity, personal responsibility plays a more crucial role in individual health choices. This statement is clear, debatable, and specific. It takes a stand against a popular belief and provides a clear hint of what the supporting arguments will be. A weak thesis. 1. Is vague. It doesn't provide clear direction. 2. Is a fact. If it's undeniable and there's no room for debate, it's not a good thesis. 3. Is overly broad. It doesn't provide a clear focus for the essay. For instance, fast food is bad for health. This statement is vague and overly broad. We don't know what aspect of health or which angle the writer will take. Plus, it doesn't open the door for much debate. Now, let's have some fun. I'll provide 2 thesis statements, and you'll decide if they're strong or weak. 1. Reading books is beneficial. 2. Despite the rise of digital media, reading traditional books offers cognitive benefits, such as improved concentration, that digital platforms cannot match. Which one is stronger? Pause for a moment. That's right. The second one provides a clear stand, specificity, and room for debate. Crafting a strong thesis statement can be challenging, but with practice and a clear understanding of its characteristics, you can master it. Remember, your thesis is the foundation of your essay. Make it strong, and your essay will stand tall. Hope this video helps you in your SAT and ACT preparation. Happy writing!